Today we find out whether it's possible to power up your Mac with this portable power adapter that supports Type-C connector. Portable power supply, which should support up to 12 volts and which would be enough to charge this Mac. I tested it with 12 volts or 9 volts LG power supply for Type-C phones, Android phones, and it worked. So I suppose it will work. Let's test it out. I'm not sure how fast, but it should work. Here I opened it, unsealed it. We've got micro USB, which we don't need right now. So we've got the power supply itself, which is what we wanted to test, and we've got nothing else really. So we suppose that here, the violet one means more power. You see, there are two thunderbolts here, and then one thunderbolt. We can use this Type-C connector both to charge and to power supply some device. Now it's charged up to 100%, so we can test it right now. So if I put it here, then let me put it somewhere here. I connect using the original cable from this Mac. I connect it to powered up, and the other end of the cable, which is quite long, I should say, to the mug itself. Okay, now as you can hear, it works. So I can charge my Mac with this portable power supply, which I couldn't do with our other power supplies, with the old one. I tried with the old one, but with this one I can charge my Mac. As you can see, it's totally charged here because it's charged. I don't need to charge it right now, but you can hear this noise. You can hear this special sound that means it's charging, right? And as you can see, it works. As we tested it out, and we found out that we can use a portable power supply to power up your Mac, which means extended time, which is quite long, I know, but anyway, it's better to have even more than you have. It's always better to have more than you have, right? So that's how it works. By using it for around 29 to 30 minutes, I discharged this power bank by 10%, which gives us roughly 4+ hours of active usage of this Mac. 280 minutes of usage of this power bank gives us estimating around 8 watts per hour of consumption power. As you see, this 10 ampere hours for 3.7 volts, and if you count it up, it gives you around 8 watt per hour of power consumption in average. So peak power consumption may be 15 watts, and in average it's around 8 watts, which is not that bad. It's less than a typical LED monitor, which is 20 watts. I hope you like this video. If so, I'll record another video about using different power supplies, which I already bought. Original one, which produced in Dongguan, which is 30 watts. And I also bought another 30 watt adapter for two USBs. One is USB Type-C and the other one just normal USB to charge my phone. And I want to test it out first, and then I want to tell you whether it can be used with this Macs. So if you're interested, please let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.